Meet the people of the state of Manipur, express our solidarity, our concern for the people and the state, and to see how we can be part of how to make things better. We also are here because our party office is being inaugurated. We have a new party office. We'll be going straight there to inaugurate the party office. And of course, I'm here to meet my party leaders, my MLAs, and the frontal organization to prepare and work towards strengthening the party organization. You see, you have to look at this issue from multiple angles. Number one, what has happened in terms of the exams or the overall leakage of the paper. Proper investigation should be done to ensure that those who are responsible for it, action should be taken. That's number one. Number two, while the protests were taking place, there were where the students were in some situations aggressively treated. And of course, it could have been done in a better manner. There is a lot of anger in which the way it was dealt with, not just the main issue, but more of the second part, where the people and the students feel that there was a lot of aggressiveness from the police. But dialogue has started, discussions have started, and I do expect that will go in the right way. And already Mr. Sonam Wangchuk has broken his fast, and government has agreed to discuss about the different matters. So we expect that all of the events in the past is ultimately going to lead to a better solution and a better situation, and I'm sure that we will come up. As I said, that there should be proper investigation, and based on this investigation, whoever is found to be the person responsible for whatever has happened, action should be taken against that person. So I think simply saying that one person should be removed and making somebody a scapegoat is not fair in one way. It's only fair to find out what really happened, how it happened, and then take the decision to take action against the concerned person. So that is what I feel. So this should be things should be happen as per the law.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.